Page layout.
So firstly, we have to use this page layout. There are so many options available. There are themes, page setup, scale to fit, sheet option, and arrange. So this is the arrange option we have studied in the MS Word. It is common, so we don't need to use this, or you can go with this after using this option. So firstly, we have to make the data for the use of themes. For example, here we type the data like this. Just type here, salesperson, computer, mouse, using tab, printer, keyboard, and scanner. Okay, and after that, we just add few names. Just type here, Amita, Kavita, Sonia, Monica, and Arjun. Last one is Tarun. Right? These are the names, and if you want to just place the value of this particular item for the selling items. So here we use rand between. You can also use to fill the data shortly. Just type here rand between function. We use rand between function, and just type the initial value, that is 20, and the maximum will be 100. So it will show the values between the 20 to 100 when we use the rand between function, right? Press enter and just select the data like this, and press Ctrl plus R for the right fill and Ctrl plus D for the down fill. You will get the data like this. Understood? And after that, we select this particular content, and you can make the table by using Ctrl plus T and press enter. You should keep in mind, this is the my table has header. Just check this box. Why? Because we have a header at the top row. That's why we checked here. Just click on OK, and you will get the format like this. And after getting this format, if you want to just change the theme or look of this particular data all over the sheet, so firstly just select this like this and click on here. There are different themes available there as you studied in the PowerPoint, right? So you can select any one like this, and after that, we can set the color by using this. There are different colors available. You can choose any color for your for your theme, right? And after that, if you want to change the font size, there are so many fonts available, font style available there. You can choose any one. For example, here we choose like this. We will get data like this manner. Clear? So it becomes, by this option, we can show our data in attractive format, and we can get the printout in a effective or attractive format. Understood? So this is the option of and how can we use effect option? For example, if we add here, just click on insert, and here we use shape like this. Just click on rounded rectangle and draw it like this. Clear? And in this particular rectangle, we gave some 3D effect by using the shape format option, and here we have different options available there. Here we use bevel effect like this. We can easily observe the bevel effect, just see there, and here we change the color as well. You can easily observe the effect, the see there. If we use what? Click on page layout and we change the effect, you can easily observe the changes in your rectangle, just see there. So it will work for the object, not for the text. Understood? So if we have a 3D shape of a different object chart like this, so then we can change this format by using the effect option. So it will change the look or style of the particular object, right? Either chart, blocks, or any shape. Understood? And after that, next is the margin. Next option is margin. So margin is a space by which we can give some space from the edges of the pages. So there are predefined margins available in our margin options in Excel. So you can do by using this option, and you can also select the custom margin. If you want to give some custom margin, just click on this, and you can just type your value according to requirements. So here we can increase the margin like this, and we just take the print preview to see there. The gap from the top will increase. Why? Because we have an option that is page setup, and here's the margin. What? 1.25. Just see there.
1.25.
Increase the margin, it will looking like this. The margin will decrease. Okay, so that is the option by which we can adjust the margin from the left, right, top, and bottom. And what is the meaning of header margin? Header margin is available for the header content will show after leaving the 0.3 centimeter at the top. Okay, so it will share the top margin, that is header. Okay, header margin will share the top margin. So we have to increase the top margin if we want to just show the header in proper manner. So here we use 1.25 and click on OK. And if we want to just give some headings, then we can click on this. And here we option that is header and footer, and click on custom header. Okay, so when we click on custom header, here we have 3 blocks. That is the left section, center section, and right section. If you want to place any object as shown in this particular window, so here we add the date and time. Just click on this, you will get a date. And if you want to just add page number or time, just click on this. So at the right section we get the time, and the left section we get the date. Clear? And here at the center we want to just type some content for our data. So just type here student marks detail, or you can just salesman details, salesman details. Clear? And after that, you can also change the font of this by using the A, that is the font formatting option. And here you choose 18 font size bold, and you can also set the color like this, and you choose like this and click on OK. You will get the heading at the top like this. Just click on OK and observe here. Understood? So here we have a different option. Just line, and that is the header. If we increase the, see there, if we increase the header margin, see there, here is the header margin. We increase here, it will shift little bit down. Just see here, and click on OK. Just see there, it will little bit down. Okay, so that is the option by which we can adjust the header margin by using this. And similarly, if you want to just add some footer, again just click on header and footer, and here we have a custom footer option. Just click on this. It will show the content at the bottom of the page, not at the top of the page. Similarly, as we type or as we set with the set for the header, similarly we can also set the footer for our page printout, right? So here we add some logos for our pages. Just click on this, and here we have a picture option. Just click on insert picture. If you have a company, you want to just insert the logo at the bottom of the page, just click on this and click on work offline and select your file from the drive. So here we select a file from the drive. Just click on desktop and select an image. Just see there. Here we select like this and click on insert option and click on this again option. This is the format picture. It will increase or decrease the size of the picture. So that is the size of picture. If you want to just decrease it, just click on this. Or if you want to increase here, just click on this. It will increase or decrease. Just see there. Click on OK. And again, click on OK. What happened? The size of the footer image is larger. If you want to just decrease the size of this picture, you have to click on again, header and footer, custom footer, and just select the picture and click on this and decrease the size. Here just type 1.5. Here just type 1.5 and click on OK. What happened? The logo will decrease like this. The size will decrease. Understood? And similarly, if you want to just add some content in the mid section, center section, or left section, you can do for this. So here we want to just type some detail about the user. So just type here created by just type your Dr. Sanjay, right? And click on OK. You will get the name at the bottom of the page. Just see here. You can observe here. Is it visible? You see here at the bottom. Created by
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Understood? So this is the form. This is the page setup, header and footer option. And again, just click on this. If you want to just change the orientation, you can go with this option that is portrait and landscape. Just click on this and click on OK. It will become a landscape page. So see there. the width of the page will increase. And you can also set the page by using this option here. We set A4 size and click on OK. And if you want to justify the content according to your page, you have to increase the size of this particular content by using this option. And here we use increase the percentage of our content size and click on OK. Just see there, all the content appearing proper in our page. And if you want to centralize this particular content in our page, again, just click on this and again click on margin. And here we have an option that is horizontally center or vertically center. What are the basic difference between these two? When we click on horizontal center, it will makes the content centralized in the form of horizontal position, right? So see there, the left margin and
Yes,
left
sir.
will equalize. And similarly, if you want to just vertical centralization and click on this, you will get the content at the center of the page like this. You can get the content with similar margin from the top and bottom. Okay, so when we just take the printout of any timetable notices, then we can go with this option. Otherwise, we always use what margin, what alignment, that means horizontal center page alignment, right? That is the proper form.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is the part of header and footer. Okay, and if you want to just add some content, there's different. This is the page number, total page number. You can also do with that option as well. Clear? Just try each and every option from
Yes,
this,
sir.
and you can just observe all the effect on your print layout, right?
Print layout.
Option, there is a sheet option. Why do you use sheet option? See here we have a 4-5 option, that is the print option. So when we want to just get the print out of the grid line, just click here and we will get the print layout of the serial. Here we select the content, or you can just add some data at the bottom like this. And if you want to just get the printout of this, the serial, there is some grid line also appearing. Here we don't use the border, but the grid line is appearing here. You can observe here the dotted lines coming like this. Just increase the view. So see there, the dotted line coming like this. Here's the dotted line, and here's the margin line or the outlines, right? If you want to just delete particular grid line, just click on there. Here we have option, that is grid line. When we remove this, don't observe this outline in our print view, the serial. All the content will gone. Why? Because here we set which format? No grid line. That is, when you remove the
No grid line.
and if you want to just take the print out in a black and white, just click here. You will get the content in the print in black and white. Okay, it will save the ink. It will save the ink. Okay. And again, just click on there. And here we have a draft quality. What is the meaning of draft quality? Just remove this. And here we have a draft quality. Draft quality shows only the content, not the object. Okay. And just select it and click on OK. Just see there. The content of like border, effect, colors, all gone from this particular section. And it becomes a simple data. That is only data, not the outline effect, style effect in this particular draft mode or draft layout, right? So if you want
to
move this, just click on there and click on OK. So see there, all the content will comes. Understood? So that is all about. And if you want to just take the printout of row and columns, headings means A, B, C, D, and 1 to 3, as we see in the sheet. Just click on here and just observe the A, B, C, D, and 1 to 3. We can also get the printout of this particular addresses as well. Clear? Any doubt about this?
Yes, sir.
This is the
no, sir.
And after that, there is the page order. Why we use page order? For example, if we want to just take the printout, just see there. First, we just close it and escape to come out from the screen. And here we just type some content like this. Here we have some content like this. We just type here. And if we take the page layout view, just click on view, and here we use what? Page layout view. Just see there. There are so many pages available there. Because we have added the data, if we add some data in this particular sheet, it will also show the page layout. Click on that. So after taking the view of this, if you want to just take the printout, this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, And after that, going on this printout, then we have to use what? Then we have to use this format. That is the down, that is the over then down. Over then down. It will print the horizontal, then comes at the vertical position. And if you want to just vertical position, then horizontal. So first we just top to bottom print out, then go with the next column or next page, right? So this is the option by which we
Yes,
can
sir.
print out or modify the printout of order of our pages by using these two options, right? And if we want to just set the comment format, if you want to just take the printout of the comment, so what will show? Just see there at the end of the sheet. If you want to just get the comment at the end of the sheet, just use this at end of the sheet. Otherwise, you just click on as displays on sheet, means it will show as it is you entered the comment on your sheet. So by this option, we can add the comment in our printout. And if you don't want the comment, just click on none. It will not show in the printout, right? And if we have an error with our cells,
Yes, sir.
what will display? Just see there. There are different options available. There are different options available there for the error which comes in our worksheet. If some error comes in our worksheet or in a cell, it will show blank. It will show double dot, double dash, or not applicable, or it will display the error. So here we normally use blank, or you can go with the dash dash. By this option, we can blank. When you type blank, it will helpful to take or to add the data in this particular blank cell. Understood? So that is
Yes, sir.
a different error cell option by which we can set the particular error display. Click on normal view and just take the view of our data. The serial. Here we have data like this. The serial. When we click on page layout, so we have studied the margin, orientation, size. There are different sizes also available. You can use this option. And here we have three options we have to study in this particular section. So that is what is the meaning of print area. If you want to just print only this particular content, so we set the print area. After selecting this like this, and click on print area and set print area, right? So when we take the print out, it will show only the 6 data, the serial. It will show only the 6 data, not the other data. Why? Because we set it this particular area as a print area. And if you want to just take the print out of this particular section, we can just add again and just click on add to print area. So it will leave these two data, Monica and Arjun, in the print preview, the serial. This is our first data. And when we go with the next page, when we go with the next page, here the option is hidden, something hidden. So we just move it and just see there. There is a second option. Just click on this. We'll get the second data like this, but the heading is missing here. So it is not beneficial for us because the headings is missing here. So we want to just place the heading at the top. On the other pages print out, just click on print title. Just click on print title, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
When we click on print title, so here we have an option that is row to repeat at top. Just place your cursor in this particular section and click on first row and click on OK, and then press Ctrl plus F2. You will get the heading in what? In our next page as well. See there. In second page, heading also appearing in this particular content. So if we have a more than one page content, then we use this option to get the printout of our headings in proper manner. Understood? And if we want
Yes,
to just
sir.
click on this and just remove the row and header printout, we will remove this content. And it is the proper way of taking printout. If you want to just take the whole printout, just click on this and here is the clear print area. It will normalize the print area, right? And there is a next option.
Yes, sir.
Option is break. So we use the same option. If you want to just give the break or page break, just click on this after selecting the position and click on break option, that is insert page break. So it will break the page from Sonia. Just press Control F2. You will get the printout like this. Just see there. Here we have pages like this. Just click on back or front. You will get the printout like this. Understood? So here we have another page. Just click
Yes,
on.
sir.
These are the different headings, different data. That is the Tarun. Or other data will show on the next page. Just see there. Clear? So it is the option by which we can get the print
Yes, sir.
out different pages. So here we get only the 4-5 data, and in next page we get the another data. Press escape to come out. And if you want to normalize this, just click on break and click on reset all pages. It will normalize and you will get the printout of all the content like this. Understood? So that is all
Yes,
about
sir.
what option: print, title, page break, print area, size, orientation, margin, and themes. And next option is the background. When you click on background, you can set the background image like this and click on insert. It will showing like this. So if you want to just add the logo at the background of our say sheet, then you can use this. Otherwise, it is not the usable content for to take the printout, because give the we take the printout on the printed pages of our logos. Okay. For example, if you want to just get the printout of SBI data, it will give the printout on the SBI logo paper, not on the plain paper, right? So we just put the
Yes,
logo
sir.
symbol papers in our printout and we get the printout on the logos paper. So we don't need to use this. If you want to just make it attractive for the working, you can go with that option and you take the view like this option. Okay, just like a watermark. Understood? And here we don't need
Yes,
to
sir.
because it is automatically adjust the printable area height or width. And here's the scaling. We can increase the scaling areas by using this. If you want to increase the scaling area, as we used in where, as we used in the print setup, this is the percentage area we can set here. We have already set it here by using print setup. This is the same option. Okay. And here's the grid line and headings. What why we use these options? So if you don't want to get the printout of this grid line, we just remove it. And if you want to just get the print of this outline, just activate it. Okay. It will remove it, means it will not give the printout
Yes, sir.
outline. And just click here, it will show the grid line in the printout. And if you want to just remove this view of outline in this particular section, just remove it. It will hide the outline of the cell. Click here, it will show the grid line. Understood? Similarly, if you don't want to heading ABCD on this particular sheet, just click here, it will remove, and it will give this provider to take the printout of this particular headings ABCD like this. Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any query about this?